Okay, I will explain the information regarding the Supreme Court of Indonesia. Supreme Court of Indonesia. The Supreme Court was established on August 1014 5, and the chairman of the Supreme Court is Muhammad. The Supreme Court of the Republic of Indonesia is the highest state institution in the Indonesian constitution system, which is the holder of judicial power together with the constitution core and is free from the influence of other branches of power. The main task is to adjudicate at the cassation level. The Supreme Court has the task of deciding on cassation of the appellate court and the final level of all judicial environment, and the Supreme Court also has the authority to review statutory provisions. In this video, I explain information about the Ministry of Justice and Human Rights. Ministry of Justice and Human Rights. The Ministry of Justice and Human Rights is a ministry within the Indonesian government in charge of legal and human rights efforts. The Ministry of Upstream and Human Rights is led by a ministry who has been held since 27 October 2014 by Yasona Lawli. Based on Presidential Regulation Number 44 of 2015, the Ministry of Law and Human Rights had the task of carrying out government efforts in the field of law and human rights to assist the President in administering state government. In essence, human rights are useful for upholding human dignity and guaranteeing that all citizens are equal before the law. Up to all forms other cruel treatment and punishment must be privated and prohibited. This information that are now about the Supreme Court Indonesia and the Ministry of Justice and Human Rights. Thank you.